entrepreneur, my cupcakes to the show. Got the hottest content, you already know. QUEENMAJC.
That's me. That's me. What's up, YouTube gang? Your girl is back with another video. What's up, YouTube gang? What is up, you guys? What is up, y'all? Listen, today, or tonight, whenever you are seeing this, your girl's trying mussels for the first time. Yes, you heard me. Your girl is trying mussels for the first time. Y'all listen. Your girl is afraid, scared. When I tell you I was so nervous to go get these, I literally had knots in my stomach. Today we have us a Pepsi cream soda. Cream soda cola, yes, y'all. I got this from Dollar General. I don't know if they sell them in the store. They might. In Walmart or something. And this is the only thing I have today, y'all. Mussels, a corn, and a potato. And when I tell y'all, I'm so nervous. I'm very nervous. I've never had them before. And let me tell y'all why. And I got a water. Let me tell y'all why before I drink that. Why? It be looking so good when other mukbangs do. Like when I see B-Love eat it, I'm like, yes, I want that so bad. And the other day I seen Chrissy eat it. Laugh, smile. I don't know the name of it, but I know her name Chrissy. And I seen her eat it. I'm like, I just want to try it so bad. And I'm just like, because like, go ahead, eat it. You're gonna like it. Yeah, I'm afraid. I'm less afraid now that I have them at home. I've been like looking them up, watching other people eat them. I looked up the anatomy of a mussel, y'all, because I'm more scared of the way it looks than how it's gonna taste. So, if you're new here, welcome. If you're old here, welcome back. Thank you guys for watching and loving on me like y'all have been doing. I love it so much, and I love y'all so much. Let me just drink a little of this. I'm really starving, okay? Let me drink a little bit. Oh, I didn't like cream soda until I got older. Y'all. Again, this is my first time trying it, so y'all just bear with me because I'm nervous, okay? My coworker's like, girl, try it. You don't never know if you like it. Try it. My cousin will try it. And I'm just like, So I'm gonna put a whole lot of stuff on it because I'm like, I don't wanna look at it. I'm just gonna go in for it. Here we go. And get some lemon. Oh, I'm afraid, y'all. And then I think one time a mukbanger was eating, I can't remember who it was. And it was a baby crab in there. And that really deterred me from ever trying it right there. So, y'all, wish me luck. I hope I like it. Because if I don't, it's going to be a problem in paradise. And I got half a pound and it came with corn and potato. So, is it the one with the hair on it? Okay, let me just shut up. I'm sorry. I can handle it. It is very chewy though. I like them. My cousin said, girl, eat that thing. It tastes like a shrimp. And that it does. Will I eat this again? Probably. When? I don't know if I'm still chewing. I just had to swallow it. It's weird because I'm sitting here trying to imagine what it look like and chew it at the same time, which I don't need to do. It's good, y'all. I really freaked out from nothing. I've been putting this off for weeks. I'm gonna say weeks, maybe a month. I ain't gonna say it's like, oh my God, it's so good. It's good, I will say. Especially if you put the sauce on. A lot of people say, go ahead and just put the sauce on it. And that's what brought it, really, the sauce. The sauce bring it on home. I just gotta get out of thinking about what it looks like. Because that's what I'm doing. Thinking about what it looks like. And I can't do that because just eat it. And hey, maybe I'll get it down pack soon. Here soon. And it's the having to like scrub your mouth on it. That's a bit too much too for me. But we're going to work on it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I'm not talking. I'm trying to think about it. See, this is what I don't like. At the end. When you gotta chew them. This is what I don't like right here. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not gonna hold you. It's still in my mouth. Okay, maybe I just need it. You can chew some up, but towards the end is hold on. And I'm not gonna look at it because if I look at it, I'm probably not gonna eat it. It be good till you get to the end. When I'm still chewing. I can't get past that part. I'm gonna work on it. And I might just have to spit it out until I can eat the rest of it. Cause, oh, I done looked at it. Oh, Lord, I thought I was doing good. I thought I was doing good. Okay, let's go to the next one. That one has hair on it. That one has hair on it. This one, okay, don't look at it, man. I'm sorry, y'all. I gotta talk to myself because I really want to try this. And I like it. I do. It's just the end. When I'm chewing. When I'm chewing, I think about the little black part that's on the outside of it. That's what got me messed up. And I'm trying not to think about it so hard when I throw up. And I will do that. Y'all pray for me. Y'all ain't praying hard. Let's try it again. Okay. It'll be good. Up until this part. And I'm still chewing. Now, the first time I just went ahead and swallowed it. It's like I'm chewing on gum, and I don't really like that. Yeah, I'm gonna look at it. I looked at it because I'm sorry, y'all. I gotta see what I don't like, and I know what I don't like. It's not the, I like it, but it's when it gets to the end. What is that? I don't know. I know what it is, but I don't know what it is. I got 3 down. I got 8 of them. 9 of them. 7 more to go. My Lord. Up, snap it, curl up. Look at my butt. I don't never eat potato. I'm surprised I ate it. I'm gonna try to do half, which is like 4 or 5. I gotta work on getting past the last part. The last part is what I cannot do. Like, I really like it. And bravo for me because I'm doing good, y'all. Because y'all don't know what it took to get here, to this point. Y'all don't know how long it took me to get this going. Excuse me. So I'm doing pretty good. And I'm making this video like it's 8:15 now. Oh God. Oh, make it so bad. It's not nasty. It's just when you get to the last part of it. The part that's, let me not look at it. Girl, you gonna be in real trouble because you keep looking at it. And I see be little packed up with all this good old stuff. Yeah, it be hard for me. Yes. My best to say, you ain't gonna get it. I did it, everybody. I did it. Now, if I can just get past the chewer part, I'll be just fine. I can see where some people say it's fishy. Let's see if I can swallow this one. I'm sorry, I'm not looking at y'all. I'm trying to concentrate. I'm sorry, y'all. I can't get past the last part of it. I'm just probably gonna have to find a different way. Get somebody else to know. That I can't get the last part of it. Like, it's good until the end. Excuse me. When it comes to the last part, like, let me show y'all the actual mussel. Now I feel better that I can eat it. I can show y'all. So, this is the mussel. This black part right here, I think that's what's at the end that's so chewy. I can't get past that. Will I eat this again? Yes. I'm going to practice. Practice. I'm going to get like, girl, isn't that serious? Yes. Because I like them. I do. They do taste like shrimp or lobster. But that chewy end, I just can't. Like, I need how many? 4. I gotta eat one more on it. I'll make this one. My potato. Okay. I can't get past the chewy end. I can't get past it. I'm gonna work on it. Oh Lord. The ending is just. I hope y'all had a good Thanksgiving. I did have a good Thanksgiving. The day before Thanksgiving, my cousin Naya got engaged. So happy, so excited. Can't wait for the wedding. I'm gonna drop it to the floor. Drop. I'm just kidding. Well, I'm not kidding, but I'm kidding. But can't wait. So excited. Congrats to her and Darren. They've been together 9 years. They have a lovely child. And so very happy for her. All right, y'all. One more and we're taking it home. I'm like, why are you looking everywhere? This is my thinking face. Oh, sorry, y'all. Y'all know I got braces. All right, hold on. got to the chewy part. I can't with chewy part. I just can't. I'm gonna eat this corn and I'm gonna let y'all go. Cause I don't wanna hold y'all. Let me eat my plate. I'm gonna use the fresh corn. It's soft. Y'all don't hate me, okay? I like it. I can't get past the chewy part. What do people do, just swallow it? Because I'm gonna tell y'all, it's literally like bubble gum to me. And maybe it's just, I need to try the black mussels too. I'm like, girl, you had 8 and you can only 5. Yeah, it's something new to me. So, like I said, I'll try to work on it. Let me know down below if y'all have ever had mussels before. Let me know down below if you like them. Or what didn't you like about it if you don't like them. Because, once again, there's nothing wrong with them. It's just, when I get to the end, I can't get past that chewy. I have to spit it out. Hopefully, next time y'all see me, sharp mussels, I can do the whole thing. If not, I'm just gonna have to eat, cut, cut. And I'll take out the chewy part. I can't swallow it no more. I can, but I have 4 more. I can do it. I don't think I will though. Today's message is, don't be afraid to try something new. Face your fears and do the doggone thing, because that's what I did tonight. Even though I didn't complete it all the way, I did some of it, and that counts for something. A lot of times we beat ourselves up. I might eat some more. A lot of times we beat ourselves up because, we ain't made it as far as somebody else has, or we ain't made it as far as we want to be. But sometimes you just have to celebrate the small milestones. Sometimes you just got to celebrate the little accomplishments. You know, in school they taught us about short-term and long-term goals. Was it short-term, mid-term? Not mid-term. I just remember short-term and long-term goals. Sometimes you just have to set you some short-term goals. So, like say for instance, you want to lose some weight. And say for instance, you want to lose 50 pounds. Because I want to lose 50 pounds. Say for instance, you want to lose 50 pounds. Don't look at the 50 pounds. Start with 5. Start with 2. Start with 10. Whatever, you know. Because sometimes it looks like it's so far away. Don't focus on the end result. Of course, we want to get there, but you have to make steps. You gotta make little baby steps until you can get there. You know what I'm saying? So don't be overwhelmed with what's going on. You know, just take your time, okay? Do what you gotta do to make it happen, okay? I love you guys so much. I don't think I can finish these. I like it. My honest opinion. 1 out of 10, I'll give them 8. And I'm just giving them an 8 because I can't get past that chewy part. If I could get past that chewy part, I'll give it a 10. Because when you add on onions and ginger and everything, it is great. And then you can start tasting, it's kind of fishy as well. It's not fishy, but it's seafoody. You know what I'm saying? And I love seafood, so that really didn't bother me. It was more of the chewy part that I couldn't get past. But you guys, I love you guys so much. You pray for me. I pray for you. And a good prayer. Keep it to yourself. Until the next time, peace out.